show you LED array owners this feed. Um, I call it the mystery feed. It's it's quite the deal. You're watching it, and it's we don't know exactly what it is, but anyway, that's that's what it does. And if you look here, it's a computer, and there's absolutely nothing running. I got the Kabundi, but I got my bar up top here, and as you can see, there's absolutely nothing running on this computer. Well, there might be some things inside that are running, but nothing's going to the port. And I have this feed. Oh, it slowed down. I think it knows I'm talking about it or something. Okay, there it is. And I'm gonna pause this, and I'm gonna turn on the light, and I'm gonna show you what it's hooked up to here. Hang on. Okay, well here we go. And that's hitting the daylight or sun or late light. This is it. A USB cable going to the back here. There's some light on this. Yeah. Okay, there's some light. There's my USB and just in the back. And it comes around. And I've got it spliced. This cable is where are we at here? There we go. This is a USB cable. It's the one with dual ends on it. And it's got 4 wires in it, and one's a green, and it's a green data wire. And I got it hooked into where the yellow would go. For the programmer. The regular programmer is right here. It's on, like it's disconnected. I got this one hooked to just where the yellow would go. 1 wire. And this is what it's given me for a feed. Believe it or not. So this is coming from inside the computer someplace. And as you notice, it's constantly changing. But where from inside the computer? Well, if you know, just let me know. Pretty cool, eh? Bye now.